Hi guys, this is me Falak and welcome back to my channel The Happiness. Now today I'm here with another video related to happiness and positivity. How to stay happy and positive all the time. Now before starting my actual video, I would like to say one thing, and that is if you are happy all the time, you don't need to have actually to run behind the positivity. So if you're happy all the time, you will definitely be positive. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing is, I would like to start up by mentioning a fact here. Please do hear this fact very clearly. Okay, the first thing is happiness depends on three things. The first thing is genetics. Now, if your parents are happy or happy soul, then you will be happy as well. So, genetically, we have 50% of our happiness depends on the genetic thing. The second thing is our circumstances. Now life circumstances is something which plays 10 to 20% of role in our happiness. As you have already seen that if you are going through good days, you're already happy, and if you're going through bad days, then you have frustrated mind. So yeah. And the third thing is how a person thinks and act. Now this is also very important because it plays around 30 to 40% in one's happiness. So keep in mind that you must have a positive and a happy mind. So now we can start our thing how to be happy all the time. The very first thing I would like to mention is boost your energy. Now this is very important. I can't stop stressing on this thing. You need to boost your energy. So how will you do that? I'll tell you. First thing is go to sleep early. Now, I don't say if you sleep at 11, then you must sleep at 8. Please don't do that because that is impossible. What you need to do is you need to shift by half an hour, shift your whole routine by half an hour. You wake up half an hour early and then you go to sleep half an hour early. So the second thing you could do to boost up your energy is exercise. Okay, I know that exercising is really exhausting, and many of us do not like doing that. But I promise you, if you do it regularly and for around a month, and you do the exercise which you love, then it won't be exhausting anymore. And the third thing you could do to boost your energy up is act more energetic. Now, yeah, this is the thing. Like you have to act in an energetic way. Take interest in your daily chores, stay active all the time, do more things, do your things by yourself. These three ways you can boost up your energy. And the second thing which will make you happy is remember yourself. Rather, I would say this is a very important thing because we tend to forget it. Now, like, how could you remember yourself? So first thing is don't expect praise or appreciation from others. If you do something, praise yourself, appreciate yourself, and gift yourself. Do not expect it from others because they are not going to do that. And the second thing is quit nagging. If you are worried all the time about your future, about your results, and whatever it is, stop doing that. And if you are worried, tell me one thing: how the hell are you expecting that you would be happy if you are not quitting that worried things? When will you take action? So quit nagging and get onto the happiness train. The third thing you could do is aim higher. Now, by aiming higher, I mean enjoy the fun of failure. Failure is a thing that we all have faced and all have to go through. And once you have failed, you can't really do anything with it. So instead of blaming someone or yourself, do one little thing, and that is analyze your failure, get to know the things that made you fail, and do not repeat it. That's it, and move on. And the second thing you could do to aim higher is work smarter. Yeah, instead of working harder, you must work smarter. Now this is very important. We tend to work harder all the time and we forget about working smarter. So work smarter. And the fifth thing you could do is lighten up. Now how would you lighten up? So first thing is acknowledge the reality of person's feeling. Now you have to listen to others so that if you are in the need that someone could hear you, they'll be always there for you. first thing you could do for lightening up. And the second thing is be a treasure house of happy memories. Now this is not important, and this is not possible that all the time you will be very happy, very joyous, and after listening this, after watching this video, you will be happy all the time. No, this isn't possible. So you could do is, what you could do when you are in the disappointing days, frustrating days, or tiring days, you could do one thing, and that is remember your old memories that made you feel happy. Remember them, be happy, um, share them with others so that you can feel that moment again. And this can really help you in um returning your happiness that you have lost somewhere. So this could handle the frustrating, upsetting days very nicely. And the fifth thing you could do is be serious about play. And now, I by play I don't mean that you run to the ground and start playing football, volleyball, and whatever it is. No, please don't do that. I seriously mean that you should take out time for yourself. You should have time to be silly. Now, by silly I mean, suppose if you love dancing, if you love painting, or anything else, but you are not really a perfect thing, but you love doing that, so do it. Forget about the perfectness, forget about the people, just do it and go off the path. This is very, very, very important. Once a week you do that work, you will enjoy it and you will be happy whole through the week, that you even not you liked it, but you are not perfect at it, but still you are doing it, and maybe you achieve perfection later. So do that. And the sixth thing is make time for friends. Now, I really mean it. Now, we have a really busy life, so we tend to forget friends. Now, by remembering friends, I don't mean you call him or her and start gossiping. Please don't do that. Don't gossip, because that will ruin your character. So avoid gossiping, but you could talk about yourself, your ambition, their ambitions, and all about them and yourself. So don't gossip, but give them a call and talk to them. Be generous. By being generous, I mean don't be judgmental all the time. Don't judge people's, don't judge yourself, and stay calm. Try to understand the situation and take the actions according to them. Okay. And the third thing you could really do to make time for friends is, this is very, very general thing, very normal thing, but this plays a very important role in our happiness as well, and that is remembering birthdays and the special occasions of others. Now this is very important. We tend to forget it and we tend to take it so lightly, but that is important, because uh, I'm giving you a situation. Suppose you're the first one to wish your friend, best friend or normal friend, and he receives the call from you and says that you wished him the first. You are the first person to wish him, and you made his or her day. Then think how that will that affect your happiness or not. Of course yes, of course yes. So go for it. And the seventh thing you could do is buy some happiness. Okay, I understand. And many of us used to say that also, that happiness can't be bought. Happiness is something that cannot be compared with money. But this is really a matter of money, because if you buy the things you need, you're happy. If you give up something, you're happy. And if you spend out with your friends or with the loved ones, you are happy. So go for it. Buy some happiness, you will love it. And the ninth thing is contemplate the heavens. Now, yeah, contemplate the heavens. By this I mean keep a gratitude notebook. Now this is very, very, very important. I can't stop stressing on this thing, because keeping a gratitude notebook will help you in your harder times as well, because they'll make you remember that what are the things that is actually in your life, and you are really grateful for them. So keeping the gratitude notebook will help you. And the ninth thing is books. Now, really, you need to invest in a good book. And please keep in mind that before you pick up any book, please keep in mind that Listen to yourself, which is the book you want to pick, which kind of book you want to really read right now, and pick such books only. If you're in a mood of reading fiction, pick up fiction. If you're really in the mood of reading non-fiction, pick up that and start reading it, and it will help you in your upsetting days, because when you won't be feeling like to talk to anyone, you could really pick up the book and start reading. And if you are bored at home, you could pick up the book and start reading. So in all the ways, reading book will help you out. And the last thing is attitude. Now, keeping check on your attitude is really, really, really important, because if you give good vibes, then you get good vibes. So give positive reviews to others so that you could get the positive reviews as well. Stimulate the mind in some other ways, like give new situations, new ideas to your mind. Do not always blame others. Do not see the wrong side, or you could say really the demerits of others. Try to see the merits, try to compliment others so that they can compliment you back, and this is gonna make your day awesome. So at last, I want to say one thing. If you're not failing, yes, if you're not failing, then believe me, you're not trying hard enough. So try hard enough, fail, and then you will really be able to taste the happiness. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and one thing more, I got to know that if you're not pressing that bell icon, then you will not be notified for my next video. So quickly get onto that bell and press it so that you could be notified every time I post another video. So at last, thanks a lot for watching this video.